Class. I'm your English teacher Aditi Day. As you all know, in the previous classes, we are doing the revision work now. So, you all have done that work in your rough copy, but from today's, we are going to start with your new English language book, Lesson 1 Sentence Beta. In this, I am going to explain you today that what do you mean by sentence. So, a group of word which gives a complete sense, it is known as sentence, in which some rules are also there, that a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop beta. And also reminded that from today's you have to do all your work in your English language fair copy, children. Okay, so we are going to start with the lesson number 1, the sentence, and you have to write it into the English language fair copy only. Okay, so what do you mean by sentence? It is clear to you all in the previous class also, because I have explained it much better, and today I am going to explain the sentence. So let's begin with the video beta. Class, as you all know that in the previous class I have tell you something about sentences. Today I am again going to continue with the same topic, but this is your new book and this is lesson number 1, the sentence. Look at these pictures and read the following sentences. First one is given, show me your book. Second is, this is my car. Third is, the washerman is washing clothes. So each of these groups of words make a complete sense. Each of them is a sentence. Means these are examples of sentences, and these are also, you are seeing that beginning with the capital S and ends with a full stop. Okay, capital T ends with a full stop and the capital T ends with full stop, and it is also giving a complete sense, so it is a sentence. So each of these groups of words makes a complete sense, so each of them is a sentence beta. Next is, this is the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words in proper order that makes a complete sense. Means sentence is a group of words in proper order that makes a complete sense. So the words in a sentence are placed in proper order to make a complete sense. First rule of sentence is, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. You are seeing in this also. Show me your book. First letter is of this word is in capital now. Next, a sentence ends with a full stop. See, full stop is there. When the sentence is completed, we put a full stop. So a sentence ends with a full stop or a question mark or a exclamation mark also sometimes. So read the following groups of words. Now these are all groups of words, but it is not declaring that it is a sentence. Bark dog stranger at the. So this is group of word, but it is not given in a proper order. So it is not a sentence. Bark dogs strangers at the. Next is good health for milk? Again, it is not given in a proper order. Next, the garden in many trees are there. It is also not in a proper order. Fourth, gives a cow milk us. This is also not in a proper order. The above group of words do not make complete sense because the words are not arranged in proper order. Now, I hope you all have clear up to this. Come to the next page. Now, in the previous page, the words are not in proper order. Now it is in a proper order. Now it is arranged in a proper order. Let us put the words of each groups in proper order. First is, dogs bark at the strangers. means it is given in a proper order, started with the capital D and ends with a full stop. So it is a sentence, and it is also giving a complete sense that dogs bark at the strangers always. Next, second one, milk is good for health. Milk is good for health. You all know that. And it is started with capital M and ends with a full stop beta. Come to the next. There are many trees in the garden. So it is started with a capital T and ends with a full stop and also giving a proper sense. So it is a sentence. Cow gives us milk. You all know that cow gives us milk to drink. So it is started with a capital C and ends with a full stop. So it is a sentence. Now the group of words become meaningful. These are all the group of words which gives a complete sense and it is also meaningful. Therefore, they can be called sentences. Okay. Now I hope it is clear to you all that which type of group of words you can set them sentences. So these type of, okay. Next, read the following groups of words. First one is given ran quickly, second is given around the corner, third is given eager to eat, fourth is given to make lemonade, fifth is given on the table, sixth is given for a while, seventh is given cool and rainy evening. These are all not started with a capital and not there is any full stop at the end. So let's giving it as follows. Above group of words neither start with a capital letter nor end with a punctuation, means full stop mark. So though they make some sense but they are not sentences. Okay. So such group of words that make partial sense and are used within a sentence are called phrases. These are all example of phrases. These are all parts of sentence. It have some sense but not a complete sense. That's why it is not a sentence. It is a phrase only. So now these phrases we use in a below sentences. Let's use above phrases in the sentences. Usain Bolt ran quickly in the race. See, ran quickly is given. It is used in this sentence beta. Now the sentence is completed. Usain Bolt ran quickly in the race. Next, take a left turn. You will see my car parked around the corner. So around the corner is given. It is a phrase which we use in this sentence beta. Next is eager to eat. Garima was eager to eat Old Delhi's street food. Okay. So Garima was eager to eat Old Delhi's street food. This phrase we use in this sentence beta. I need lemons, sugar and salt to make lemonade. Okay. So to make lemonade is given, we can use in this sentence. Come to the next. On the table. My books are kept on the table. So this is the phrase which is used in the sentence. Next, for a while. I will reach in 10 minutes. Please wait up for a while. So for a while is used in this sentence. Come to the next, last, cool and rainy evening. Shikha loves cool and rainy evening of monsoon. Now it is completed. Phrases are used in this given sentences. So I hope it is clear to you all. Go through this chapter, lesson number 1 or more time. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally beta. Okay. Thank you.